Okay, so this is the next thing we want to do, this drawing. So let's go to a new page so that we can start. So you go to your new, click on parts. Now first thing, you change this to mmgs because the units that we're using is in millimeters. Then you go to sketch, click on your sketch icon again. Then based on the drawing, it's going to be on the top plane that I'm going to view it from to draw. So you click on top plane. So now if you can see, there are lots of circles involved. So you just go to your circle. Then there are like 3 other circles. They are all aligned with the center. So just follow that blue line that's showing that it's at the center. This blue line. Then the last blue line too. That's showing that it's at the center. So basically, you can come now and dimension. So the outer circle has a diameter of 80 in question. The smaller circles each are 10. So what you can basically do is, there's a shortcut. Instead of having to dimension each of them 10 10 10 and having like so many dimensions, you can do it for other questions that have similar dimensions. Instead, as you just leave your smart dimension to directly select the circle that has the dimension, then hold your control key, select the other 2 circles. Then now at the side you see something that says equal concentric, so you click on equal to make all of them 10 10 10. They are now automatically 10 and dimension. So the next thing you see is that there's like a central space there, and for that I think you can easily use your straight slot tool. Now straight slot tool basically has 2 circular ends and then straight lines separating them. So let's just click the center of the circle because that's where the first arc comes from, and then expand this. So just pick 2 points with your the first 3 slot type. Just pick 2 points, the beginning and at the end, for the 2 circles. So by the time you dimension it, whatever happens to the first circle will happen to the second one. Based on my knowledge, the radius of this is 16. So you can change to 16. Automatically the other end is corrected. You don't need to adjust here because from what you already selected from the beginning to the end of the drawing. So the next thing that I told is that the distance between each of the small circles to the center of that straight slot circle is 28. So let's dimension that as well. Click on the center of this one, change to 28. The center of this one and the center of this one, change to 28. The center of this one and the center of this one, change it to 28. So basically you already have your layout, but it's not defined, and the aim of your something should try and make sure that it's defined. So the trick to defining an object or something in a drawing is to make sure you relate it to the center. So now I already have the distances between all of them. So now what I can do is I can find the distance between each of them. I'll show you. It's just to make sure you relate everything to the center. So even no matter the many dimensions you do, everything must be related to the center one way or the other. So let me do that back again. So smart dimension, let me dimension this one to this one. What I'm doing is that if I relate each of them together, once I relate the last one to the center, like now look at it now, all of them have their distance from the center, but they don't have the height. So I'll come and relate it to this other one that's already defined, get the height. So everything is automatically dimensioned. Everything is now, once it's black, it shows that it is fully defined. Once it's still blue, it means it's other defined. Another trick is that when it's, let me go back, when it's other defined, if you can see now, the direction in which the circle is willing to move will show you where why it is not defined. See, they are still moving around. Why? Because they don't have a height or location. So what do? You come, do what I just did before. You find you give it a vertical distance. This is that you must have a horizontal and a vertical distance. Horizontal distance is 28. Now in this case it is 60. So now everything is related because all the other ones are related to each other. So I hope it's understandable. For the more we do, the more you understand. So let's go to our features. Now you can easily just go ahead and extrude this without complications. Now in your extrusion, you can select which surface you want to extrude. You can select here, you can select here, you can select here, you can select any of the other 2 circles. But now we just need only here. So hold on, let me unselect this. Sorry, let me go back a bit. I'll go back to my extrude. So now you can just select only here. Now the height is 5, so let's adjust that. and then just click on it. So this is your drawing. Every other part that you know how to extrude or give a height to is still flat, so you will not follow this drawing. That's basically it. If you want to color now, basically almost the full drawing is green, so you can just come, when you click on your appearance, the one that has pencil, you click on what's extrude, because it's the full thing that was extruded that is green. But then that it will extrude, it will not give green to every single part of it. So what you can easily do is that you can always adjust that on your own. I don't have that exact shade of green here, so just like find it. Okay, I think this is okay. So now all the other parts that were colored that you don't want to be colored, because here is like orange, so you can just come, or yellow, so you just click on face 1, so that's only that part that you selected that you want to have that color. So let me do this. Okay, let me use this. So just select all the other parts that have it. Then the last part, to in the inner place, is like red, so you simply click on it, then go to the appearance that has pencil, that is the colored circles, and then click on face 1, then you go to your red. If more places have that color, just select them and click on your tick. So yeah, done. Our drawing is done. So now to show that is you pick the right plane, by the time you go to this box that has arrows, you can click on this one and then click on isometric view. So now basically it's the same arrangement as how it was in the question. And with that, we're done.